Hello, welcome to this video. I have always found the concept of black holes pretty amusing, and that's why I wanted to share with you views about the same. In this video, I will answer all the questions that comes in your mind when I say the word black holes. Black hole an overview. First of all, let's see what black holes are. An unimaginably dense region of space where space is curved around it so completely and gravity becomes so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Mass is so great in such a small volume that the velocity needed to escape is greater than the speed light travels. Now, let us see answers for these questions. Who discovered black holes? When was the first black hole discovered? How are black holes created? Can we see a black hole? What is the purpose of a black hole? What a black hole looks like? What are the four types of black holes? What are the parts of a black hole? Can the sun become a black hole? And evidence of a black hole. Who discovered black holes and when was the first black hole discovered? The first black hole ever discovered was Cygnus X1, located within the Milky Way in the constellation of Cygnus, the Swan. Astronomers saw the first signs of the black hole in 1964 via gas it struck away from a closely orbiting blue supergiant star. Watching X-rays flung out into the universe by the supermassive black hole at the center of a galaxy 800 million light years away. Stanford University astrophysicist Don Wilkins noticed an intriguing pattern. How do these black holes get created? Most black holes form from the remnants of a large star that dies in a supernova explosion. Smaller stars become dense neutron stars which are not massive enough to trap light. When the surface reaches the event horizon, time stands still and the star can collapse no more. It is a frozen collapsing object. Now, you must be curious if we will be able to create a black hole. Yes, it is. Scientists have therefore started creating artificial black holes inside labs to study their properties. And one such experiment carried out by scientists at the Technion Israel Institute of Technology has proved that Stephen Hawking had been right about black holes all along. Now comes the question whether we can see the black holes and how they look. Well, you can't see them with the naked eye. Do we have a picture of a black hole? It's a wobbling ring. There are no black holes close enough to Earth to affect us. What are the types of black holes? There are four types of black holes: stellar, intermediate, supermassive, and miniature. The most commonly known way a black hole forms is by stellar death. What are the parts of a black hole? Black holes are really very simple as they have just two main parts, the event horizon and the singularity. The event horizon is the outer limit of the black hole. It is the closest thing a black hole has to a surface, but it's not a physical surface, it's an invisible bubble in space. Is there any purpose of the black hole or is there any disadvantage because of its existence? A black hole is an astronomical object with a gravitational pull so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape it. A black hole's surface, called its event horizon, defines the boundary where the velocity needed to escape exceeds the speed of light, which is the speed limit of the cosmos. Can the sun become a black hole? However, the sun will never turn into a black hole because it is said to have less mass than needed to turn into one. When the sun is about to reach its end and run out of its fuel, it will automatically throw off outer layers, turning into a glowing gas ring known as a planetary nebula. Can a black hole affect Earth? There are no black holes close to enough to Earth to affect us. The Earth gets within about 8 lakhs kilometers, that is 8.7 light seconds of this black hole, it will get pulled apart. But that's unlikely to happen and certainly not in your lifetime. Can a black hole die? Yes, black holes are regions of space-time where gravity rules. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. But even the black holes will one day. What is the temperature of a black hole? Black holes are freezing cold on the inside but incredibly hot just outside. The internal temperature of a black hole with the mass of our sun is around 1 millionth of a degree above absolute zero. Is black hole a black body? Yes. Black holes are supposedly nearly perfect black bodies. They emit thermal radiation called Hawking radiation, which, however, does not originate from beyond the event horizon. They emit thermal radiation called Hawking radiation that is beyond the event horizon. But it is a consequence of the interaction of the strong gravitational field outside the horizon with the vacuum. How many black holes are in the Milky Way? The Milky Way galaxy contains some 100 billion stars, roughly 1 out of every 1,000 stars that form is massive enough to become a black hole. Therefore, our galaxy must harbor some 100 million stellar mass black holes. Most of these are invisible to us, and only about a dozen have been identified. How heavy is a black hole? A typical stellar class of black hole has a mass between about 3 and 10 solar masses. Supermassive black holes exist in the center of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way galaxy. They are astonishingly heavy with masses ranging from millions to billions of solar masses. What is inside a black hole? While they may seem like a hole in the sky because they don't produce light, a black hole is not empty. It's actually a lot of matter condensed into a single point. This point is known as singularity. What's on the other side of a black hole? The discovery of light from the other side of a black hole was predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. Research began with a slightly different aim of a more common light formed by a black hole. The corona, which wraps around the outside of it, formed as material falls in. What are the disadvantages of black hole? These black holes are dark most of the time, but when their gravity pulls in nearby stars and gas, they flare into intense activity and pump out a huge amount of radiation. Massive black holes are dangerous in two ways. If you get too close, the enormous gravity will suck you in. Is there any evidence? Yes, of course. Doppler measurements are the evidence. Some of the best evidence for the presence of black holes is provided by the Doppler effect, whereby light from nearby orbiting matter is redshifted when receding and blue shifted when advancing. For matter very close to a black hole, the orbital speed must be comparable with the speed of light. So, receding matter will appear very faint compared with advancing matter, which means that system with the intrinsically symmetric disk and rings will acquire a highly asymmetric visual appearance. This effect has been allowed for in modern computer generated images, such as the example presented here based on a plausible mode for the supermassive black hole in Sagittarius A at the center of our own galaxy. Thank you. These are all the references.